Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a large bowl, combine 1 cup of softened butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Beat these ingredients together using an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie texture. Now let's add the wet ingredients. Beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough. It's time for the star ingredient. Stir in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips, or about 12 ounces, until they are evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough about 2 inches apart onto ungreased baking sheets. Bake them in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once baked, let your delicious chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This allows them to set up properly and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 2 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Storing your cooled cookies in an airtight container will keep them fresh for several days. Enjoy your homemade Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.